you for biting. Hmm?
Caught a fish!
Caught you a bass. What'd you catch?
A fish. I'm so good at fishing.
Alright, we back at it again. Do a little fishing trip. Got everybody here. Got Dylan, got Jeffrey, got Devin, and it's Skylar's first big trip with the guys. See what she can catch today. Last time we came out here, the bridge, underneath the bridge was covered in hyacinth and we couldn't go the direction we usually go, and we ended up going left, and it's open today, so we're heading to the right towards the island like we usually do. It's supposed to be 95 today, or 90 something, 91 or something like that. First time it's gonna get hot like that in a while, so we ready to hit the water. See if we can't catch some big ones today. Springtime, so we'll see what we got in the water.
Devin got one already.
You got one? Hey, Devin got one. First fish. All right, Devin got the first fish. He was the first one in. Hold it up. First fish, let's go.
See, it ain't a whole lot of grass over there, dog.
No, we can easily make it through right there. There's no grass at all.
I'm talking about on the left side.
Yeah, right now, yeah, it's not packed right now.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. Hey, that works. I'm nice and cool car.
Got one when I started reeling it back to the boat. Got me a baby.
Uh-oh.
All right, fish number one. Got me a little guy, about 3/4 of a pound. Thanks for biting, buddy. Woo, fish number one. See how the water's floating that direction? They're sitting under it, waiting for stuff to float right into it. Got one. That's it. Hey! Got it. Skylar got one. Alright, fish number one for you. Little 1/2 pounder, little 1/4 pounder, little 1/4 pounder with cheese. Good job. 1 and 1 for us. And Devin's got one. Waiting on Dylan and Jeffrey. Alright, throw them back.
Thanks for biting, buddy.
Oh, good job. Oh, nice. We both thought ahead. Actually, it wasn't me, it was Skylar.
Yeah, none of y'all have food, no water, nothing.
I hadn't gotten to that point. I knew we were going to the dollar store.
That was not the dollar store, that was Dollar General.
Did? Yeah. That's a fish.
Not on my head.
Number 2. All right, fish number 2 for me. Another little guy. Same size last time. All right, thanks for biting, buddy. I'm gonna throw mine back. There he goes. Hold on. All right, Devin got him another one. Devin's on 2, I'm on 2, and Skylar's on 2.
I'm on 1.
You caught 2.
No, I haven't.
Oh, you caught 1?
You caught, no, maybe.
I caught 2. I thought you caught 2 also.
No.
Hey, I got it right on the edge of that creek right there. By that tree.
He was underneath.
Yeah, that's what it is. Got it.
That worked out. Good job. So it lets you get off.
Can't get enough. Well, he could actually. He's got a hole in his face now. Got him. Yep, popped right out. All right, fish number 3, largemouth. I got 1 pounder on that one. I'm right underneath the tree, right there. Got another one. Hell yeah. 1 pounder. All right, thanks for biting, buddy. There you go. There you go. It's on. Seems like a good one. Yeah, Skylar got one.
Uh-oh.
That. Good watch. Yeah, he got a belly on him, don't he?
Yes.
Good job. Fish number 2? Sure it's not 3?
I'm sure.
I don't really be remembering.
It's only 2.
Alright, good job. Got a quad on that one. Last one was a largemouth. That one's a quad. Alright, throw him back.
Thanks for buying, buddy.
Woo! Good job.
My scooter is literally so bad. It keeps getting bad.
Alright, let's make some casts right here. I'm gonna change the camera too. Good.
Oh my god, that's my feet.
Jeez.
Oh my god.
Your pole's on my pole, kayak's floating away, lost your shoe, caught a 3-pounder.
Oh my
Hook
god.
fell out.
About 2 pounders?
Yeah, like 2.5.
Yeah.
That was crazy. Is that one?
Got him.
What was the mess?
You almost lost them?
Skylar hooked my pole while I'm reeling it in. The kayak started floating away. Her shoe came off, started floating away. We're all running everywhere. Fishes in the water.
Oh my god.
It was chaos.
Hell yeah. Hey, it's a good day.
Oh my god.
Got it though.
That was the funniest thing ever. You have to make a YouTube short about that.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Oh my gosh.
Got a nice one, almost a 3. It's like 2 3/4.
4th fish.
4th fish. Biggest one so far. That's what I'm looking for. That's what we're here for. Some of these guys.
I caught a 1-pounder before.
Woo.
And a 3-pounder, but never a 2-pounder.
Yep, that's true. Let's go. 2 3/4. Little chaos during that catch. We got it though. We got the fish, man. Got him out the water. All right, thanks for biting, buddy. Oh, there you go. Woo! Let's go. That's a good one. Right. Fat quad. What was that, back to back?
Yes.
Alright, got another one. Back to back cast. Got me a little quad. Fat belly on that guy. Alright, appreciate it. Thanks for biting, buddy. Oh, he just ran into me.
It literally ran into me too.
It ran into you too?
I did. I got scared. I didn't know what that
It ran into my ankle.
was. Same.
It hit your ankle too?
Yes.
That fish didn't know what to do. Running into everybody. Very good. Right under that tree. I was gonna say, I think I had a fish just now. That's a good one.
Oh, there it is.
Another glide. Fish number what?
3.
3. Hold it out. Little guy. Almost a pound. Half pound actually. Like a half pounder. Alright, throw him back.
Thanks for biting, buddy.
There he goes. Oh, he been in. Nope, there he goes. Yeah, it's one of my favorite little channels right here. It's a good spot. I've seen some big ones. Step through the mud. Oh yeah, you got a good one. Oh, you throat hook him?
Huh?
Is it in his throat?
I think. Cigarette.
Yeah, under the tongue.
Yeah.
I get it. Yeah, that's a good one. All right, thanks for biting, buddy. Woo! That's the biggest one you got. That's a good one. Bring it over here. Yeah, nice 2.5. Oh yeah, maybe 2 3/4. He is fat, dude. He's a fatty. Hell yeah, good first fish.
Hell yeah.
That's a big old belly on that dude. Oh my god, this dude's fat, dude.
Dude, it, like a foot water right there.
Yeah, it's shallow. Oh, see you later, dude. Thanks for biting.
Right
Yeah, he's slaying right there. Good job. Finally got one. Good. Good fish. Good fish.
Oh, you got a good one?
Good one. Real good one. 3, 3.5. Got him.
Same one Jeffrey caught.
Bigger.
Yeah, that belly ain't as big as that one.
Oh.
Yeah. That's a different one.
Yep. 3.5.
Nice.
3. It's a 3.
I think that's the one that took my bait.
Oh. Let's go.
You think you're going, bro?
Yep, it's a quad.
We all
Got
have
him.
one.
Woo!
Baby.
Double up. Got the double up, baby.
Look, he was hungry, bro. He's down in there.
Went over the tree.
Oh, he's on fish.
Woo! Woo! Double up. That's like a 3 and a 2. Not bad. Let's go.
Leave one,
I'm going to go ahead and throw mine back. He missed the triple up.
I might need your help on this.
I got you. Got any pliers. Thanks for biting, buddy. Woo! Let's go. Catching the big ones now. Jeffrey finally got another one, but he threw him back. Little guy, 1-pounder. We gotta get this one off Devin's hook. Nice, got another one. What's that, number 4? 3. Catching up. That's a good one. Guad, big guad. 1 1/4 on a guad. That's not bad. Hell yeah. He almost jumped out of your hand.
Damn, he
There,
was quick.
yeah, there he goes.
He took off.
They're in here still.
He's coming your way, Skyler.
We've been getting some. There we got number 4 now. All 4 of them came from right there. There you go. I ain't catching up.
He tried to eat it again in my hand. All right, buddy. Appreciate the bite.
They're here because Devin's lost a couple.
Yeah, I lost a couple right there.
You just lost one? You felt him?
I saw
You saw him? Man. Yeah, number 5, little guy on that one.
Little baby.
There we go.
Hey, buddy.
He swam into your foot, yeah. They're over there, man. It's 5 from the same exact spot.
That dude was fly fishing off that boat over there.
Bro,
What is that?
I caught a crawdad!
On a crawdad.
On a crawdad!
Hell yeah. Oh, he's freaking out. He's tripping out, dude.
Bro, that's a first.
Bro, I want to hold it.
I just caught a craw on a craw.
Let me hold it.
Throw his ass on a bucket.
That was crazy. Well, that's a good crawl too. Catch a big old bass on that thing.
Oh my.
Caught a crawdad on a crawl. That was
Crazy.
a first. Never happened. Alright, you can throw them back. We're lures all day. We're real bass fishermen. And fisher ladies. What's a fishing woman?
I guess.
Caught number 6. Me and you are tied now.
Yeah,
Alright,
crawfish on a crawfish.
in the same spot. Again, we're all portaging around right now. Trying to
I was waiting on y'all.
get over here.
I'm gonna catch so quick.
Yeah, make one cast right over there and tie me up. All right. That's a Texas cichlid. A Texas cichlid. Oh, down. All right. Cool.
Wow.
Yeah. Got a Texas cichlid. Cool, huh?
Yes.
Grab him. He's yours.
Ow. There's like no way to grab it.
Yeah.
Oh my
He's a
God.
flopper. He probably needs some water. He's been out the water for a minute. Cool, huh?
Yes.
Your first Texas cichlid. All right, throw him back. He needs water.
Thanks for biting, buddy.
He's pretty.
Wow.
There he goes. Cool. Good job. Congratulations. First Texas cichlid.
That's why I caught it at. Or right there.
Oh, I got him on. Wasn't the greatest hook set.
Oh. Ow.
Sorry.
That had to go in the fish, man.
Got him. Alright, fish number 7 for me. Got a quad. Pretty fat. Thanks for biting, buddy. Woo! Give me a splash. We floating. That wind is pushing us. Splash you?
Almost got in my gut.
I knew that was gonna happen.
Why you meanie?
Alright, fish number 8. Got me a largemouth. Little 1 1/4. Not bad, not bad. Thanks for biting, buddy. Woo. Water feeling cold still. Feeling good today though. It is hot. Got one. Chill. Alright, fish number 9. Thanks for biting, buddy. Woo! Sweating. We're getting out right here. Right up here in front of us. I'm getting bites right here. Got him. Alright, number 9, littlest guy of the day. Thanks for biting though, buddy. Keep me in the lead.
It's in the mud somewhere right here. No. I want that.
It's in the mud underneath you?
Yeah.
Oh.
It took the fly.
Can we go over there so we get out?
It robbed me, dog.
Yeah, I got fish on.
Okay.
All right, fish number 10, another little guy. Appreciate the bite though, buddy. All right, Jeffrey at number 7.
It's a good size, too.
Yeah. That's a good one. Yeah, 1.5, 1 3/4, 2-pounder almost. Woo! Splashed the shit out of me. That's how you're supposed to hook them, right through the top of the mouth. Yep, right through the roof of the mouth, out the nose. That's a perfect hook set. Dylan got him number 3. Got him a 1-pounder. Having some good luck today, bro. Learning how to fish. Good job. Yeah, it's like a 1-pounder. Yeah. Nah, that one you got was like a 2.5. That big one.
Oh my.
Kayak stop. Do you need it in mud?
Yeah, it's really soft on me right here too. I'm thinking.
I remember you filling that little hole we had over there.
Oh, got him. You got him.
Got him. Motherfucker got away the first time.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Jeffrey got number 8. Good one too. Hold him up real quick. That's upside down.
Good. It's under the...
Oh my. He's stuck on the bank. Oh, no he ain't. There he goes.
What the frick is wrong with
He's under there. That felt like such a good bite.
Oh, Devin got him. Devin got him.
Got him?
Get over that log. You drug him all the way home.
Tyler just got a bite too.
A pounder?
Hold on.
Little pounder.
All right, Devin's on number 5. Number 1, 1-pounder. Let's go.
Maybe 3/4.
Oh, you didn't get the hook out of him yet?
Nah,
I was like, why are you putting him on the ground? There you go.
Little backflip.
I got one.
Let's go. Good one.
Oh my god.
Yep, that's a good one.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Stay off that side. Come park over here.
All right. Nice one, baby.
On my head. Oh.
Oh, my pole's in the water. Dang, hold on. Smile. There you go. Just in case we need the thumbnail. That's your biggest one so far.
Yep.
It's a good one. 1 3/4, almost a 2. Might be a 2. Should I weigh it? You never caught a 2. Got 1s and 3s. I could weigh it real quick.
Yeah, weigh it.
Hold on.
God damn.
Double up. We need to get a picture together.
Yep, that's a good one. Get over the log so you can get them. You got him all the way in. Grab his ass. There he is. That's a good one too.
I dive in the water for him.
That's a good one too. Same size almost.
We need to get a picture together.
There.
The green ones? I think I got like 2 left.
Double up.
Yep.
Hey, hold him up next to Skylar's.
Oh, my paddle.
Yeah, hold him like up and down. There you go. Nice, got a picture. All right, well, Devin's was 30 ounces, and yours was what?
28.
28 ounces. Thanks for biting, guys. There they go.
As soon as I threw it out,
Look, he's chilling.
I know, dude.
Look, they both swam off slow.
As soon as it hit the water, bro, it just...
Nice. Double up.
Look at the snake coming at you, Jeffrey.
Oh, yeah, snake. Coming right at you.
I'm trying to get a fish over here, dog.
Coming right at you.
Oh, man. On the other side.
It went underwater.
Yeah, I know.
I got one.
Got one. Another good one. Got a jumper. There you go.
Man, he's fucking up the good spot.
There you go. There you go. Yeah. Nice. What's that?
6.
6?
Yep.
Killing it today. Most you've ever caught in one day.
Yep.
It's your new personal best day of fishing. Good job.
Already 5 was, and then
And now you're at 6. Keep it going.
thanks for biting, buddy.
There he goes. Oh, he just ran into my leg.
Oh,
There's a snake right over here
I
somewhere.
don't like that.
Yeah, me either. I don't want to be in the water with it.
Your leg with the snake, we're good. You done snuck over there already. Got him.
Ah!
First cast back in.
First cast back in.
Woo! Put them all over.
Yeah, he's swinging. All right, got me another one. Number 11.
Yeah.
Good size. 1.5, 1 3/4.
Brand new. It's one of the nicest sharks. Thanks for biting, buddy.
I got you.
Right here.
Save me. I don't want to go in the
I
back.
got you.
I don't want to go where the snake is.
Oh, you lost it? Dang.
Here.
Cafe? Oh. Here. Oh, Dylan got the one you were trying to get.
That's up there.
You just caught our fish.
Bro, see. Oh my god.
It might be the same one I just caught. Hey, that's a good one. Yeah, that wasn't the one we just caught. They are over here. Man, that's a good one. Yeah, 1.5, 1 3/4 almost. I likes it. You got 4 good ones today. You ain't even caught a small one. It's all just nice ones. That was a good one, dude. That's a nice fish. One spot that we'll catch a bunch of big ones at, and it was this spot today.
There's been 2 spots.
Yeah, the other spot down there where that current's at. Got him. Got him.
Yeah, good one too.
Good job. Don't hit me. Ah!
Damn, I had a fight.
You're purposely doing that. You mean it.
Where did that snake go? We don't know.
Shit, I don't know.
Right there somewhere.
Went up to that log and then that grass and stuff, and then we never saw it again. There we go, number 12. Got me a glot on that one. Thanks for biting, buddy.
Shit, it's almost sandwich time. Huh? Whoa. Whoa. Got another, the good one. Go.
What's the crap?
Uh-oh. That's the spot right there, bro.
Freaking
Why
got
do
me.
you always do that to me?
Yeah, put it right on her.
Gosh.
Here, get the fish off.
That hook got me in the hand.
You're fine.
That was back to back. That's number 12, back to back cast. I've had 2 back to backs today. Let's go. Thanks for biting, buddy.
Got him?
Yep.
Go.
Hey, not to me, not to me.
That's a good one. Grab him.
You
I
got
grab
him.
your fish. You don't grab my fish. Grab him.
That's not my job. My job is to catch them.
Number 13. Got me another glide. Almost back-to-back cast. I had bites on
Oh,
this.
ham?
That's a fish. That's a fish.
I know.
You got it.
There's something wrong with
Pull it over to the left. Over around that tree. Along the tree.
I'm trying.
It's stuck on that tree.
go get my fish.
Hold on.
That's 7.
Got him.
That's 7. 7 for me.
There's a flopper.
Don't let him bump me.
All right, number 13 for me.
Wait,
Double up. Yeah,
a picture.
you're right. We doubled up.
Not gonna move no fish.
All right, hold on. Double up. Let's go. Nice. All right, throw them back.
Thanks for batting, buddy.
Thanks for batting, buddy. Oh, they both swam off. Woo, let's go. It's got a freaking big one. Oh, yeah. Dang. Just caught the biggest guad of the day. Might have been the biggest fish of the day. I got another good one. A 2 pound, 2.5er. Guad, it's a big guad. It's a chunky guad. He is heavy, like 2.5. Big old belly. Thanks for biting, buddy. See you later. Woo! It's been a good day. That was number 14. Can't complain.
That lane for the win.
I'll block him.
Get him, Mike, get him!
I'm flipping. Who in the lead? Go, Devin, go! Alright, we home. That was the day. Oh, now the sun's gone. Feeling good outside.
How much did you catch?
13 or 14, I can't remember.
14. If you're at 14, we caught 42 for the day.
Yeah.
I
That's
caught
good.
8, 4.
Devin
She got
lost both
7.
of our shoes,
7.
alright?
I caught 8.
Yeah, you got 8.
So 7.
You got 8. You got 4 good ones.
Yeah.
She got 7. And I got like 13 or
So
14.
41.
Something like that. That's
40
a good
or
day.
41. Shit.
That was a fun day. Good day on the water. Did you have fun? Tired? Yeah, me too.
Yeah, her longest day on the water.
Yeah, she ain't never done a full day. We always do like little days and stuff. So her first full day, but she got
Your little
7.
bird too. Dylan's bird like
We're all
crazy.
sunburned. My knees are
Hey, I ain't
freaking.
burned.
Man, my
It's
knees
just my
are
nose a little.
sunburned. Dude, my knees are red.
Dude,
Only my kneecaps, like my shins ain't, my
the
thighs
leggings,
ain't,
baby.
but my
the
kneecaps.
leggings.
Yes, those came in clutch.
Yeah, smart with it.
All right, well, it was a fun day. Good day of fishing on the water. Until next time.